Hello everyone, today we have 2017 Hyundai Sonata. So no crank, no start. As you can hear, you have some wire disconnected, but I just want to show you the video very quick. So if you see on the diagram, you're gonna see the ignition switch. It's connected to the. So this car has two versions. One was without immobilizer, and one with immobilizer. So the one with immobilizer, independent about your case, is gonna go with the ICM relay over here, and then they're gonna go. It's getting the power from the ignition switch too, all the way from the battery, okay? And from the battery, that's a starter relay. The starter relay has a coil, which is connected to the other side from the ignition switch. That means when you turn the ignition on, you should have, that's the coil side. So you should have power right here at this one. So when you turn the ignition, you should have this one. So first, if it's no crank, no start, and when you turn the ignition on, of course, in this case without immobilizer, you should have a signal right here. You see this red, okay? And the second thing, this for the starter right side. So this is gonna be has a power on it all the time. So it's hot all the time, as we show in the diagram. So this side is supposed to give you ground. Now it has a ground, but before, so this has come from red wire all the way right here with this connector right here. So this side is red and the other side is blue. Let me show it to you very quick. It's right here. So red and blue. So this connector, that's the one that most of the time give an issue with no start. So if you go down a little bit, let me make it bigger a little bit so you can. All right. So most of the issue for the Kia and Hyundai is gonna be this section right here. The red wire and the blue wire. It come from the starter, the load side, not the control side, guys. So the control side, once you see this, you have power on it. When you turn the ignition on, that means all this circuit is good. So your bottom line, you have one section has power all the time, and the other section should have a ground, which is connected to the solenoid coil. Right? Sorry guys, somebody just came in. So make sure that the blue and the red is connected, which is most of the issue right here. This one right here. The blue, the red, and the blue connector. Okay, so it's the blue and the red. Blue and the red, which is connected to the solenoid, and this one has power all the time. This one. So power side. Okay, so this now is green. Before it was green. So if you don't see this green, make sure this connector is good. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. If you have any issue, just comment, and hopefully this video will help someone. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.